Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? I hope that you have enjoyed a lot on Eid al-Azha. And I also believe that you did not forget to take proper precautions against COVID-19 on this Eid. This is your Pakistan Studies teacher and here is your video lesson number 1 of week 6. We will continue with the chapter 3 which is land and environment. Our today's lesson is about effects of climate on human life. But before we start our lesson, let's recall what we have studied so far. We have studied about location of Pakistan and its importance, physical features of Pakistan and climatic conditions of Pakistan. Here is a small warm-up activity for you. Can you answer these? If you have studied the chapter thoroughly and you have attended all your Zoom lectures, you can answer all these questions easily. China is in the dash of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into dash parts with respect to physical features. The highest peak of Kohistani-Hindu Kush is dash. Shahrah-e-Resham connects Pakistan to China through dash pass. Here are the answers. China is in the north of Pakistan. Pakistan is divided into 3 parts according to the climatic condition. Turchmere is the highest peak in Kohistani-Hindu Kush and Shahrah-e-Resham connects Pakistan to China at Khanjrab Pass. What are our learning objectives? Our learning objectives are to describe the effect of climate on the human life of plain areas of Pakistan, the northern and northwestern areas of Pakistan, the desert area in Pakistan and the Balochistan Plateau. We will start with the plain areas of Pakistan. There is intensity in climate of the plain areas of Pakistan. It means that summer are hot and winters are cold. This type of climate is very useful for different kinds of crops, vegetables and fruits. Plain areas are made up by the soil that the rivers bring along with them. That's why they are very fertile. These are densely populated areas. The income of the people living in these areas depends upon agriculture and the industry associated with agriculture. The scarcity of rain in plain area is made up with irrigation system by the water of rivers and underground water. The area has the maximum of population. These areas have better facilities of transportation and communication. People enjoy better facilities. Next is northern and northwestern areas of Pakistan. These are the cold areas of Pakistan. The northern and northwestern areas of Pakistan are surrounded by mountain ranges. These areas are thousands of meters higher than sea level. The temperature is lower because of this height. It snows frequently in winter. All the activities of the people living here are limited during the winter. During summer, these areas are turned into lush green pastures again. Farming is the major occupation of the people in summer season. Fruits of various types are produced here. Mountains area are relatively less populated. Tourism prospers due to picturesque scenes and pleasant climate of these areas. Next are the deserts of Pakistan. The climate of desert areas in Pakistan is too hot and dry. The southern areas of Punjab and northern as well as southern areas of Sindh have especially the characteristics of deserts. The people living here led hard lives. This area receives very little rainfall. Therefore, people have to fetch water from far off distant places. Rearing of sheep and goats is the major source of earning for the people of these areas. The climate of Balochistan Plateau is extremely hot during summers and extremely cold during winters. This is the driest area of Pakistan. Winter snowfalls is an important source of the availability of water reservoir in this area. During summer, water is stored in dales and small rivers. The rainwater is stored and is carried from one place to another through underground channels called creeks. These water channels have made farming possible in this area. The income of the people living in this area mostly depends upon rearing of sheep, goats and other cattle. So this is all about effects of climate on the different areas of the Pakistan. Your assignment is you have to write the question, elaborate how does the climate affect the human life. You have to write the complete topic in your notebooks. Thank you for listening to me. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.